Today we are going to study about plant tissues. Plant tissues and their types. Plant tissues are basically of two types. Number one is meristematic tissue, and permanent tissue. Okay, what are meristematic tissue? Listen, boys. Meristematic tissues are those tissues which are made up of actively dividing cells. Okay, these tissues are made up of actively dividing cells. Then where they are found? They are found on growing part of plant. Okay. Then what is permanent tissue? Permanent tissues are made from meristematic tissues. That tissues which have lost the ability to divide. That is called permanent tissues. Now meristematic tissue is of three types: apical meristematic tissue, apical meristematum, intercalary, and lateral. Apical meristematum, intercalary meristematum, and lateral meristematic tissues. Apical meristematic tissue is found on tip of root and shoot, and the function of apical meristematic tissue is primary growth. Listen, there are two types of growth in plants. Plants have open growth, and two types of growths are primary growth and secondary growth. Increase in height of a plant is called primary growth, and increase in thickness or diameter of plant is called secondary growth. So this apical meristematic tissue is responsible for primary growth of plant. Means this is responsible for increasing length of the plant, right? Second is intercalary meristematic tissue. This tissue is found on the base of, or you can say on the petioles or the base of leaf, and this intercalary meristematic tissue is responsible for growth of branches, growth of leaf and growth of branches. Third one is lateral meristematic tissue. Lateral meristematic tissue is found on sides of root and stem, right? And this lateral meristematum is responsible for secondary growth. What is secondary growth? Increase in diameter. Yes, increase in diameter of plant is called secondary growth. Lateral meristematic tissue is responsible for increase in thickness of plant. Okay.